How to earn rewards on ReelShort app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can earn rewards on the ReelShort app. For this, open the ReelShort app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download this from Play Store or App Store. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to earn rewards or bonuses, you want to tap on this gift box icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, from this page, you can earn rewards. Now, the first way on how you can earn rewards is check in daily. Now, if you check in for the first 2 days, you will receive 10 coins. Then the rewards will increase and you can earn up to 50 plus coins from this. For this, tap on the check in option. Once the check-in is successful, you will earn 10 bonus. Now you can also earn extra bonus by watching an ad. Now the next way on how you can earn rewards is to install these apps and play these games. So here you can find a list of games and applications. Simply tap on any one of them and you can tap on the download now option. As you can see, you will have 330 total rewards from this. Now, the next way to earn rewards is to complete the daily task. Next thing you can do to earn rewards is to watch ads. Over here, you have 15 coins for one ad. Tap on the watch ad option. Once the ad has been completed, you will receive your rewards. And these are some ways on how you can earn rewards on the ReelShort app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.